Welcome back to another fun tutorial. This tutorial today is for StencilGirl Products, being a part of their creative team. And this month the theme is either gridded or gifted. So we've decided to alter a paper bag and make a gift bag for the upcoming festive season. So to begin with, what we're going to do is prime our surface using white heavy gesso and give about 2 coats in both directions. And for this, just using a paintbrush and leaving some brush strokes for a nice messy look. Okay, once that's done, now time to use the fantastic stencils for some layering. So we'll be using this tapestry stencil as well as the leafy doodle border, a part of it. And for the texture, we're going to be using modeling paste. So just spreading some modeling paste through both these stencils onto the paper bag randomly, apart from the leaf border which goes on top as well as at the bottom. That's dry, here's a look at the modeling paste texture so far. Now time to add some color. For the color, we've chosen a color palette of silver, purple, sort of a magenta pink, and we're using our Lindy's Magicals and Magical Shakers here and randomly just adding color. So first it's the direct pigment on the base, and next we just mix some of the pigment powder with water onto a palette and going in with some splatters and in between misting it with water to get the color flowy. Ensure that you dry between layers. This ensures that the colors don't mix up and become muddy. Done. Here's a look at the shimmer and the fabulous color on the stenciled texture so far on our bag. Next, now we'll be using a StencilClub stencil and some glitter gel by Gina K Designs and spreading it through the stencil randomly onto the gift bag. This brings in the element of glitter that we really want for this festive bag. With that done, our layers are now complete and it's time to add some embellishments. So for this, we're just using some chipboard pieces which have been heat embossed using some embossing powder, as well as colored with some metallic wax. So just adhering and gluing down all of these elements in place on our bag. There are certain changes made because we weren't too happy with the embellishments. So we removed one of our reindeers and have just added some floral elements as well as glitter pollens and completed the layering for this bag to look festive for the season. So we really hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. All the supplies used are going to be listed in the description box below, as well as the StencilGirl website, so that you can visit the store to check out these fabulous awesome stencils. So until our next time, take care and bye bye.